polar bear. Arctic regions, particularly around the North Pole. African elephant, savannas and forests of Africa. Bengal tiger, forest of India, Bangladesh and Nepal. Giant panda, bamboo forest of central China. Koala, Eucalyptus forest of Australia. Kangaroo, grassland and forest of Australia. Orangutan, rainforest of Borneo and Sumatra. Blue whale, ocean worldwide, prefer in deep water. Great white shark, coastal water worldwide, preferring cooler regions. Penguin, Antarctic and subantarctic regions, as well as part of South America, Africa and Australia. Red kangaroo, arid and semi-arid regions of Australia. Snow leopard, mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. Giraffe, savannas and open woodland of Africa. Green sea turtle, tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide. King cobra, forest and grassland of India, Southeast Asia and southern China. Golden eagle, mountains and open plains of North America, Europe, Asia and North Africa.